Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've made a video, so I apologize for that. I've been laying low a little bit. The market's been really crappy, and I've had some string of bad luck, which happens in the market or with your own trades. And also I've been painting the interior of my house, or having it painted, and it's been torn up in my home office and everything. I haven't really had access to my computer, so I kind of just took a break and let the market and the war and everything in Iran kind of pan out. But I'm back, and I'm going to start going back into trading, making videos, and I'm going to change things up, and I'll explain that in a little bit. But first, let's go through my account. It's showing about 140,000. It's down quite a bit. I've had to pull out like 10,000 recently for the paint job, and also I had a capital gain in my trading last year of 60,000, so I had to pay tax on that. Just got my taxes done and some other expenses, so I've been pulling out of my account to use it for that. I've put a new roof on this house and new furnace, paint job, and some other things. Was going to sell it, but it has other property that I'm actually going to sell. So it's nice and fixed up, and I'm going to sell that property and either pay this off or put that money into this account, probably around 250. Put that into this account, so I'll have more to trade with and be able to trade bigger and make more money. And so I'm waiting for that to happen. So that's kind of where I am there. Last month, let's go to my account in March. I didn't make many trades because the market's been so crappy. If I look at this here, this adds up to 234 is all. The total monthly income was minus 37.94 because I had this trade on SMH. It was a buy option, not a sell option. So if I look at SMH, made this trade on 2/12, and it expired 3/27, and the war started going on. So like right around 3/27, it had gone under. It was up at the time of the trade. Let's see, at the time of the trade, it was at 407. So I thought with the 71 delta at 380, I'd be pretty safe. This actual stock in the past, if I look for the past year, it's gone up 118%. 5 years, 227%. So if I had to do this again, I would probably do a leaps option, which gives me a year or more for this to go up and up. But I wasn't quite sure with the war going on. The oil comes out of the Strait, the Persian Gulf, and also helium, I guess, is made there, and the helium is used to cool down processes to make chips. And so this SMH is a ETF of all the top chip makers, and I thought, well, if this thing drags on and there's a shortage of helium and all the chip companies can't make money, then this might just be a huge problem. And at the time, 327 right here, it had gone under my strike price and expired worthless, so it was pretty much a total loss, and I wasn't sure if it was just going to keep going down or not. And things have changed since then. It's gone up as high as 423, so I wish I could have rolled it, but again, I wasn't sure at the time what would happen, so I just took the loss here, which hurt pretty big. So that's another reason my account's down. April so far, I've only made a couple trades, a hood trade and an SMH put, a hood call, SMH put, and I got some dividends so far, so I'm up 1,036 so far. But it's only the 8th. It's the 8th of April. If I can make 1,000 a week, for the rest of the month, I'd be pretty happy with 4,000. But I'm going to change things up a little bit, so let's get into that. I've been following this guy. Everyone's got their gurus and stuff, but I've noticed this guy. His name's Christopher Ewell. He's been part of the U.S. Investing Championship. He's tied in with and learned from the top mentors like Mark Minervini, two-time winner of the U.S. Investing Championship, Steve Burns, Jason Shapiro, Richard Dennis, a lot of big names that he has worked with. Here's his channel right here. He's got this product called Outlier, spelled OVTLYR, I'm not sure. But if you look at the playlist, you can see he's got interviews with his mentors, the championship traders, and he's got this product that he's a part of called Outlier. And it's kind of an intelligence, like a trading intelligence platform or an AI that has a lot of tools right in one place that you can use to do your trading. And it makes it really easy. Now, Christopher was like me. Like a lot of us, he got into selling options. And for a couple of years there, he said he was selling options and he had an 80% win rate and actually lost $200,000. And I'm kind of looking at my situation. I've been keeping my head above water and stuff, but my count is not up over the past couple of years. It's down. I've pulled money out, that sort of thing. But still, I expect to be up higher selling options. He even wrote a book about selling options. And he's given all that up. And all he does now is buy options, because with the leverage and the risk and everything, it all kind of makes sense. And so I'm still going to sell options. I'm still not totally sold on the idea, but I want to remain open-minded and learn from the top people who are actually making money. And so he's part of the U.S. Investing Championship. And if you look at this, if you look up the U.S. Investing Championship and you search for, let me go into this first. He's got this Outlier University that he's kind of the marketing guy and the front face of Outlier. And there's a couple of quants and some people in the back end that write the software, write the code, and put it all together. But he's got Outlier University Alpha. It's a whole playlist that teaches you how to use this system here. Here's what it looks like. There's also been the Bravo class over the course of the last year and a half, and there's another full course coming up that teaches you how to use the system. And the system is pretty cool, because if I look at pricing, annually it's $299 a year, and it's not like you spend $1,000 or $3,000 on a course and you got to pay $50 a month or $200 a month for the Discord. All you pay is $299 a year, and that's it. And you get access to all the YouTube training. You get access to Discords. Here's this week's morning sessions. Here's this week's afternoon sessions. And there's a whole active community here of the students that are using Outlier to make money. And if I look at the Investing Championship, and if I search for Outlier, a lot of the students are in this. Here's one, Dan Taggart. So far this year, he's up 12%. I. Belfort up 140%. Mark V up 25%. Art Zimmerman 12.7%. And these other outliers here that are all in this, these are students of Christopher's that have been in this, and they're all participating in the U.S. Investing Championship. So there's some pretty good credibility and some pretty good money making going on. So I'm really interested in this. And I've been through the Alpha and Bravo classes, and I've spent the last year just kind of lurking and watching. And I've kind of gone to cash. If I look at my account, I've got about 50,000 that I can play with. And I saw Chris, all of his stuff that he does online with trading is actually, you can watch it. So this is a Google Sheet live into his account. He's only up 2.2% this year because the market's been crappy. But I watched all these trades. You can watch them live. And in January, he started with $50,000 and he was up 50%. So he had made $25,000. Again, that's gone back down. They're still in this, but you can see the other outliers in here are up so far this year. What I like about this is just the amount of instruction you get, the community you get. You get these PowerPoints that go over the system, how it works, trading strategy, and you're encouraged to make your own trading plan. It teaches you how to do that. But if you want to start off with his trading plan, you got this PowerPoint here that you can start with and use as your own. It's got 3 different plans. One is Plan M, which is normal stocks. And if you look at the market, it's not working for you, you could switch to a Plan ETF and trade ETFs. If that's not working, you look at the signals and stuff, then you do this plan, which is sit in cash and don't F up. So sitting in cash is also a position. So it's got this whole PowerPoint spreadsheet that has the entry signals, the exit signals, and it pretty much tells you, like here, if I look at the market, that's 40% of the move. Then there's the sector. Looking at the market, you look at SPY overall. You want to see a bullish trend, a buy signal on SPY, a fear and greed heat map, and the breadth of all the stocks with a bullish trend. Then you look at the sector. So you look like if you're looking at a certain sector in the if you look at a certain stock in the communications sector, you look at that sector and look at all of these items and you check them off. And then you look at a particular stock. It's got a screener, so you can look at a particular stock that meets all its criteria. And then you can make a trade. And you don't make a trade without it. And it's got strict rules for how to get into a trade and also how to manage risk and how to roll up and also how to exit and when to exit a trade. So it's got very, very strict rules to save yourself from getting caught on the way down. So if you're interested in this, I'm just telling you because I'm going to be using it. I haven't made any trades yet, but I'm prepped. I've got $50,000 in cash. So when the market turns around and all those signals are good, I'm probably going to make one of those trades. And it's just $2.99 a year. And I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. I am an affiliate, so shameless plug. If you wanted to participate in this, you can just check it out without purchasing it. You just go to his channel. You can see all the Outlier University videos and how it works. But I appreciate it if you'd use my link, and then I could get a spiff off it. So I'm still going to sell options this year, but I'm probably going to do more vertical put credit spreads to save myself on the downside. But I'm going to be probably buying options at the certain criteria that works with Outlier to make more money this year. So check it out. If you got any questions, let me know. Basically how it works is market, again, that's 40% and 30% and 30%. It's called the Outlier 9. You want all these to be green before you invest in any stock. So there's the market. You look at SPY, and the trend needs to be up. It's obviously down now. And this is the blue is the 10 EMA, the black is the 20 EMA, and the red is the 50 EMA. And what you want is to have when this crosses over, it's on an uptrend. The blue 10 is over the 20, and the price is over the 50. That's kind of the criteria for getting in. But the easy way to look at it is that you just check off. If these are not all green, then you don't make any moves. But there's a whole process here on how to select stocks. You first go to the market, check off all these things, and you can use the tool. It's got a screener as well. Once you've selected a stock, you can pick stocks that match the criteria that is best suited for success according to the criteria that's been proven and back tested. So a lot of work's been done to prove these concepts and back test them. So that's kind of just an overview. There's a lot here, I know. I mean, it took me months to go through the Alpha and Bravo classes. He's a pretty entertaining guy, so it's kind of fun to watch, but I think he knows what he's doing, and from what I've seen, the system works. So going forward, I'm going to be doing also some buying of options as far as in addition to selling options. So I hope to have more videos coming out soon. I just want to give you an overview and the changes I'm making going forward this year. If you got any questions, let me know, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.